guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. If you're new here, hi, I'm Talia and I'm so happy to have you here. Today's video is going to be a kind of part 2 on another video that I did, and if you didn't see that then I will link it somewhere up on screen right now. And it was the first launch of the Friends X Revolution collaboration, and today I'm going to be doing a part 2. I was a bit unsure whether to get the second series of the collection because I really didn't rate the first one at all. If you watched my last video then you'll know that. But I got this one, I just picked up one palette because of what happened last time. I wanted to make sure that it was good quality. So this is the palette that I picked up. It's the Knock on the Door palette, I think it's called. It doesn't have the name on it, but I've heard other people say that. It's got 21 shades. They're all really good sizes, and it's got a mirror on the back as well. What I like about this palette compared to the last palette that they did was they have quite a good number of matte colours in this one, which they just really didn't have in the other one, so I couldn't really use it for much. So obviously your eyes go straight to all the pink shades. They look really beautiful, but I have been looking on YouTube for kind of inspiration, and a lot of other YouTubers have done pink looks with this palette, so I wanted to do something a bit different today, and I've decided to go for like a neutral brown kind of look because I don't think I've done a neutral look on this channel before. It's all been very colourful and bright, so I wanted to make a very wearable look, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to zoom you in a bit closer and then we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my lids. I am going to use the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Create. So just like in the last video with the other palette, you need a sticky base down for the pressed pigment. So I'm just going to do one eye at a time, just like I did on the last one, so that I don't get any creasing. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is this one over here, and it is called Scientist Guy. It's like a nice grey brown colour, so we'll see how it turns out. Next I'm going to take this brown shade over here, and it is called Mac and Cheese. I really like that colour. It went on really beautifully, really pigmented, and it's such a lovely colour. I'm really impressed so far. Okay, we're going to darken up that crease now, and I'm going to take this really dark brown down here, and it is called I can never say this word, Apothecary Table, and I'm just going to apply that right in the crease just to darken it up. I'm just going to take some more of that dark brown from the Apothecary Table, and I'm just going to place that on the outer V of my lid. This palette already so much better than the last one. I'm really impressed. I'm all about second chances, so they've really redeemed themselves so far. So I put Bake down under my eyes because I've done my face makeup, and to be honest I didn't really need it because there's really not a lot of fallout in this palette, so that's really good. Okay, so I really like the look of Manhattan, which is this one over here, but I think I want to put that, I think I'm going to cut the crease and then I will put that on. So I'm just going to cut my crease and I will be right back. Okay, so I've just done my cut crease and I'm going to go in with this shade up here called Manhattan, and it's just this really pretty kind of brown purple shimmer shade. It looks really nice in the pan, so hopefully it looks nice with this look. That is so pink. Just when I said I didn't want to do a pink look, it comes out so pink. It looked like a sort of brownie colour. Now what? Okay, I think I'm going to try and cover this up because I like the colour of it. It's not really what I was going for today. So I think I'm going to try and cover it up with prom video, this one down here. Okay, I really like how that turned out. I don't know whether, I mean, I'll just show you a swatch of prom video on its own. So it's a really nice kind of like bronze colour, and it swatches so beautifully. Yeah, I do like how that's turned out. It's quite pretty. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take some more of the why did I choose this shade? This one down here, this dark brown apothecary table, and I'm just taking that on a really thin pointed brush, and I'm just going to run that on top of the cut crease just to really define it. And then I'm just going to take more of the dark brown shade, and I'm just going to put more of that in the outer V of our eye just to really define that whole area. And then I'm just going to very softly tap it onto the edge of prom video just to really blend those shades into each other. For mascara today, I'm trying out a new one. This is the Revolution Butterfly Lash Mascara, and the packaging is so beautiful. So it comes with this little ring as well, which is such a cute little touch. How pretty! Guys, it just took me about half an hour to get these lashes on. They are not playing nice, so we are just going to ignore how bad they look because they look terrible. So moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade, which is called Mac and Cheese again, the medium brown shade that we used earlier on our crease, and I'm just going to take that and run it all along the lower lash line. Then I'm just going to deepen that up a bit with that deep brown that we used. And then going back in with this shade over here called Sciencey Sky, I'm just going to blend out all of those colours. And while this is a Friends Revolution video, I wanted to go back in with the first palette that they did and use the highlighter in this because I really do like the highlighter. So I'm going to use this one up here, Ugly Naked Guy. And to highlight the inner corners today, I'm going to go in with this shade called Orthodontist. And for lips today, I'm first going to line them in the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Sucker for Grey. And for lips, I am going to go in with the Revolution Friends Lip Gloss in the shade Phoebe. I absolutely love this shade. I didn't get it the first time, but when I ordered the palette, I did order this as well. I just wish that it was a liquid lipstick instead of a gloss because I don't really like glosses, but I really do love this colour. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and let me know down below if you are going to purchase the Friends Revolution Series 2 or if you've already purchased it, and let me know what you think because I really think that this has redeemed itself from the last one. Like this one I really couldn't stand, but this one I'm actually really impressed with it. I think that the colours are really beautiful. I think that there is a nice amount of mattes compared to the shimmers. I do want to play around and do a little bit of a pink look with it because like I say, these pink colours really do just catch your eye, and I'm really excited to use it again. So let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see another look with this palette. I really love hearing from you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a big thumbs up down below so I know that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day today. Stay safe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!